In competition, a good quality tyre, properly aligned, is critical for peak performance and safety.
Jamie Whincup wins his first for 2018.
The same applies on the road.
A complimentary tyre safety check at your Holden Service Centre can identify issues before they cost you money or, worse, become a safety concern.
Tread wear indicators show the minimum legal tread depth and help you gauge when your tyres might need replacing. Uneven wear could be a symptom of improper inflation or poor wheel alignment. Your Holden dealer is equipped to properly assess your vehicle and make the right recommendations. It's all part of Holden Complete Care.
See your participating Holden dealer or visit holden.com.au to book your free tyre safety check today.